drill we're going to be learning is called one arm freestyle. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's going to be training your front crawl or freestyle stroke. In regular freestyle, you're going to want to start with your catch. Again, the most important part of the stroke, where you're grabbing the water and pulling hard at the beginning. You're finishing at the end with the other arm. Now at this point, your body is on its side in the water. That is exactly what this drill is going to be teaching us. So the way this drill starts is you're on your side in the water with your arm facing down, starting your catch. You're going to catch, bring the water under your body as you rotate. At this point, your hand is going to be right under your chest and you're going to be flat in the water. You're going to continue your rotation and finish your stroke at the end and bring your arm up and around, rotating your body back, catching again. Let's see this stroke in action.